Solution Systems. Ezisolution.com is authorized representative of Ezisolution System Australia. And this day I want to be able to handle some training about how to create hamper, how to set up hamper in a way that when customers comes to buy the hamper, the product will automatically deduct. What I mean is this. This is hamper. Let's go to Google and look at the hamper. Hamper. Now, let's say we are searching for hamper. Now, this hamper, look at hamper. How to set up hampers in Retailman. And the way you can set it up when customer comes to buy, let me use this particular hamper to do my illustration. And when customer comes to buy, you will sell only a name called the hamper. Then all the products, the stock items, shirted or that is inside this particular hamper will automate. And the customer will not see that are connected, but it's just only hamper that will, and that very name hamper is only what you are selling. And when you sell that particular name hamper, or use this as an example, you know, here you have so many things inside them. Here you have so many things inside this hamper, and these items are different stocks that you have in your supermarket or in your business place, and you have set up this hamper and you have given a price tagged to this particular hamper. And now customer comes to buy products. You don't need to begin to scan, or you go and write here that at the end of the day you will not begin to sell them one after the other. No. That is not the way. So in Retailman, there is an easy process that you can use to configure every product inside the hamper, inside the system. When customer come to buy, it's either you do it and print a barcode and paste on that particular product, the hamper, or you write the code of the hamper and put on it. When customer now want to buy, you just sell that particular name of hamper, and the stock that is inside this place, all the item that is inside here will automatically deduct. And the receipt that will come out for your customer to see, the customer will only see the hamper. Let's say the hamper 50,000, or hamper 30,000, or hamper 55,000. This is how you are going to have different type of hamper, and they are. But everything that is connected to this hamper, the customer will only see just one name, hamper 50,000. So now we are going into the procedure. So now we go into the Retailman. We pick the name. Then we go to creating of the product. First of all, create a group called hamper. So a group that will have a group that now, so that you can be able to see the cell. Now you come over to stock. And here you create a product you are going to call hamper. Now, if you want to, you can give barcode, you can give any number. Then if you don't want to give a barcode, okay, I use ham as my code. Now this become the full hamper 50, hamper 50. The name you, depending on the name you want to call your hamper. Then you come in here and put in your price of the hamper. Then you come in here and change it from stock item to kit item. Kit item. I will video where I am going to explain all these packages, functions, and their functions. But for today, I will be speaking about the hamper. Now, kit item, you use kit item. Then when I will be explaining about other functions, I will tell you the difference between kit item and the package item and the service item. But for now, look at it. The group name, remember we have a group we call hamper. So that we can also be tracking the sales by group. Now we are done creating. You don't need to put the cost price. The cost price is not needed. The cost of each of those products will form the cost of this particular product. The cost of each that will be inside the hamper will be the cost of the. So we move. Now we are done with whatever we are doing here. Now, if you want the staff to be able to change the price of the hamper while selling, then you enable. If you ask here, as the inventory department just finished creating this, they don't want any other thing. You don't want them to do anything. Then you create a note that can be sunny so that now by leaving it in this way, meaning you have set up this and you have said you don't have any cost price. The difference here is that you item as a kit item. Now then you will come over here, item contents. Here you will now start scanning all the products that are inside the basket, the hamper. Now all of first one, which is the cost price is this, and we are putting 2 of it. Then I'm going to put in another product. Then this very one, the cost price is 10,000, which we are having about 14,000 now at the cost. Another product, we have total cost of 22,000. We have another cost price. Let me make this one 2. Sorry, deleted the product. Okay. Now we have the total cost of it, including the hamper. The basket itself is going to be a stock item. So you have to enter how many baskets you bought from the market. Everything you use for the packaging have to be a them. You have to when you are creating their names, there must be a stock item like that. All these items that you are going to link inside here Each of them must be a stock item when you are creating them. The only thing that will be a kit item is the name of the hamper, the name you are giving the hamper, which is the name that you are going to sell. Meaning this is the product you are going to sell, and this is what is going to appear on the receipt, and this is what the customer is going to see in their invoice. We don't want the customer to see any of this list of these products that are here. The only name they will see is this very one. And because this is the only name you want the customer to see, and you don't want them to see the names of everyone, you want them to see the price of each of them, and you don't want them to see the selling price of each of the whole thing that make up the hamper. You only want them to see this name, but these are the stocks that is inside the basket. Want it automatically deduct when they say, so that you don't need to write it after selling this. You go to where you record the list of what is inside and come and begin to scan it and be selling it one after the other. No. That is not the way. This way committed method. The inventory department has to do this. And when they are done doing this, now this is everything. Remember the cost is 349. And we have set up that we are selling it at 50,000. Then that is all. You are done. Then you save this as a kit item. So that is the product. Now, and the customer want to buy. Look at the product. Whenever the customer, now you see that the name that they got is this. The items that are connected inside it is not showing up. So the sales people only sell daily. So if you make name, then we'll go ahead and scan it with the barcode that you paste on it. So now, and you pay however the customer is paying. Let's say the customer is paying 5,000 cash and paying the remaining one by POS. Then we click print. I did not install printer in my system, so I just want to save it up here as a so that I will know if I can be able to view it here and bring it in the screen. Okay, good. Of it. There is no printer installed in this system. That's why the printout is delaying. I want to know if I can pop up here. Wait, will pop up here, be able to, so that I can be able to display it. But why I'm waiting for that to come up, now I want to view the report of the day. Now in our sales of the day, daily sales report, I want to view it in detail. We'll see the hamper that is sold in 50,000. The list of what is connected to this hamper is not here. But I want you to know that this stock, the stock connected to this is already automatically deducted. Look at it here. Now, the page that will show connected product connected to this particular cell, you are going to view that. You go to sales. You go to invoices list report. Then I am using a multi-location license. That is why you are seeing this very particular location. In this software, I'm using support different branches. You can view the sales of different branches, but here I'm not talking about it. If you are using a single version, this will not be in your own here, seeing that one here, seeing that one here, seeing this. But when you are using it to multi branches, different branches, that sales will be happening in all those branches, and they are all reporting to the head office, then you will be able to view all the other branches themselves like this. So now, okay, the printer is still popping up, it's taking time. So go here. Now change this to detail. Let's see. You will see this is the page that will display the list of what make the sales connected to the hamper. Now look at it here. So what we sold is hamper 50,000 and the amount is 50,000. Now he's telling us the cost. The cost of all this item linked inside it is 45,000. I mean 40,340. The cost of this product have then automatically turned to the cost of the 50,000. That's what you see here. And the profit hamper on the hamper alone is this very figure. So this is the gain we made. So we sold at this amount. The cost of it is this, and this is the profit. So this is the profit that will report on your profit. And you can see this list of the whole thing connected, automatically deducted from the stock. They are all deducted. These ones that when you go to all these products, you will see that this quantity deducted 2, this one deducted 1, this one deducted 10. Let me take you to this particular one so that you can see that this product deducts ammo. So let's go. This is the problem. Look at it here. The one I sold today, 17th. Look at it here. Look at it here. 2 deducted. That to show you that inside this particular product today. So every product will automatically deduct. So thank you very much. I think you understand it. If you have more questions, don't forget to contact us on our Facebook page. We will respond to you. And always make sure that you have a qualified person that for you, assistant for you. And if you have problem in configuring, very soon I'm going to different level of training where I'm going to have and for me to train you as an engineer, you need to subscribe on our YouTube channel so that I will begin to explain more deep things about configuration page. So currently now, I will soon stop training on configuration page for free. Then system to use the system, maybe what I'm going to be teaching in order that will be free. Then for you to be on my YouTube, then you will not be able to have access to the configuration part of it. Because if you did not configure this well, the system will be giving you a different computer is all about garbage in, garbage out. Whatever you configure, however you configure the system is the report you are going to get. And there is no any type of configuration you cannot do with Retailman. There is none. Any type of business you want your Retailman to work on and you want to have it configured, it is possible and it is configurable. All you need to ask questions and we are going to make video for you that handle that particular and the system will give you what you have. Thank you and you have a great day. Bye.